everyone, how are you all? I hope all are doing great and fantastic. So, friends, once again, welcome to this new video. And, friends, in today's video, I have brought something new for you. In today's video, I'm going to talk about can we speak English language if we have simple vocabularies? This is a common question of all the learners. They just have heard that for speaking English language they must have advanced structure for delivering their thoughts. So is this right? Is this right concept or not? I'm going to share my experience of learning English language, which kind of things I got to realize, and what I have heard about learning English language and which kind of things are not right for a learner. So make sure that you are going to watch this video till the very end, because in this video I'm going to talk about if you do not have a dictionary of words in your mind, so how can you start speaking in English language? Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the video. So friends, if I talk about speaking English language, so this is not a big deal. First of all, let me clear these things. Okay, people who are learning English language, and when I started my journey, so that time I was thinking that English language is like cracking any mountain, like breaking any mountain. I was comparing my journey with the Dasrath Manji. Do you know Dasrath Manji? If you know, so say yes on the comment box. Okay, so I was comparing my English journey with Dasarath Manji, and I was thinking that English is like this big mountain, and I will have to crack this mountain. But how? I do not have a dictionary of words in my mind. How can I remember words? How can I start delivering my thoughts in English language? Really, you know what, friends, when I used to watch videos in English language, so that time one thing always came into my mind, that I have so many thoughts. I just want to deliver those all things in English language. But it may be possible, it can be possible or not. When that day will come, when I will be delivering my thoughts in English language, I was thinking about it when I started. But finally that day has come today, and I'm delivering my thoughts in English language, and I'm feeling very very happy that I'm able to speak in English language this much. So if you are thinking that I have lack of words in English words, so how can I start speaking in English language? If you are thinking like this, so stop thinking, because I am here to guide you. Okay, so if you have lack of vocabulary, so whatever you have, just start speaking. And while speaking in English language, you will get to know where you stuck, where you feel stucking, where you feel hesitation, where which kind of a sentence you are not able to make. While speaking in English language, while delivering your thoughts, you will be able to know your main point where you need to improve, right? So in this way, you just have to start speaking English language. Do not think that I do not have any dictionary of vocabularies. Okay, because when we think about speaking in English language, so first of all we think about vocabularies, that I do not have that much vocabularies. How will I deliver my thoughts? How will I speak English language, and what will I speak? These things come in our mind, right? So if you are also thinking about it, so you know what you have to do. Just take any topic, and just start searching any sentence, searching main point. Just start watching that kind of videos on YouTube. Suppose that today, if I talk about education, so education means when I start my journey, if I talk about a beginner, okay, if they have just started their journey and they want to speak in English language, they want to deliver their thoughts, whatever they have in their mind, so they will have to start speaking on any topic. Randomly they will have to talk. Okay, Do not think that I do not have words. You will get words by speaking, and you will have to speak at any cost. So for speaking on any topic, for gaining knowledge, for gaining words vocabulary, first of all, just take any topic, and before speaking, before starting your practice of speaking English language, just search any video on that topic, watch any videos, and while watching that video you will get some vocabularies. You will have to note down that vocabulary, and when you start speaking in your own language, in your own English words, so just try to include those all English words that you will got from that video. Okay, these things will help you a lot, because when I started my journey, so that time I was also thinking about vocabularies. I do not have vocabularies. How will I deliver my thoughts? I have so much thought for speaking, and I really wanted to speak in English language. Okay, so that time I just started speaking English language every day. I used to talk on anything whatever came into my mind. I just spoke those all things, whatever it may be, anything. So I am not talking about personally that you will have to take any topic. Whatever you have, whatever on which topic you want to speak, just speak. Do not take any topic if you are not comfortable on that things. Okay, but if you want to speak in English language, so you will have to take any things. You can talk with yourself, and you can make yourself a friend, just like a friend. When we meet our friends, we just share our thoughts, our daily routine with them. So you will have to speak with yourself. You will have to share your all things, whatever you have, whatever you want to speak, just to try to speak with yourself. So when you speak, so you will get to know that where you need some vocabularies, where you are stucking, where you are fumbling, where you are not able to speak that word, that main word. You will get to know the main word of particular anything. So I hope that you got something from this video. If you got, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Keep practicing, keep learning, keep improving.